Professor Dr. Ali. I'm the Dean of the Faculty of Medicine, University of Alexandria. It's such a pleasure meeting you. What I would like to say is that we are offering in our medical school a very unique program that is the joint program for awarding the bachelor degree in medicine and surgery between the University of Alexandria and University of Manchester. And it is a very unique and exceptional program because it is the only joint program between a medical school in Egypt and a medical school in the United Kingdom. Um, the whole program is based on a curriculum that is exactly the same medical curriculum in Manchester University. The exams and the progression of the students from one year to the other is basically also according to the rules. The exam, the final exam, is almost similar to the final medical exam in any medical school in the United Kingdom and also in Manchester University. Of course, Manchester University is quite famous in the United Kingdom. It holds a very high ranking. Alexandria University also holds a high ranking, but the Faculty of Medicine in particular have its own QS ranking that is very exceptional and among the leading 500 faculties of medicine in the whole planet Earth. The whole program is basically monitored very closely by our British partner. They visit us like twice or thrice a year, and they monitor the progression of teaching as well as the exams in order to be able to recognize that as a British program as well. At the end, students who are graduating from that, they will be offered a certificate that holds both the Manchester and Alexandria University's logos, as well as the official signature of the head of both universities. Of course, the main advantage is that when you are learning medicine in a UK way, it will be very easy to pass their their qualifying tests for working in United Kingdom. At the moment, there is a PLAB 1 and PLAB 2, but in the future, it probably will be the UK MLA, which is a medical licensing assessment exam. And that's a single theoretical as well as also a practical exam. And it will be held for both uh, British national students as well as international students. Students who have been learning in Manchester in our program would be very fit to pass this exam quite easily and basically eventually to apply for jobs in UK. The program also had the advantage of giving some choices for students to have some elective courses in UK as well as summer courses there as well. And basically, it's also awarding some communication and basically also access to the learning resources in Manchester University itself. Because at the beginning of registration, the students were registered in Manchester University through a certain process, and by the end of that process, he will have a username and a password that allows him to get into the learning resources in Manchester itself, like the library, the electronic library, and some of the lectures in Manchester itself. So it is quite a unique program. It took quite some time to have an agreement to do that. It is finally there. We are in the second year now. Students from the first year are now in the second year. By the next year will be a third year students as well. And that is the start of the clinical teaching in universities. I do welcome, and we do welcome Indian students who are interested in having a high quality medical study to come to Egypt, to come to Alexandria, and basically be one of our students or some of our international students. Thank you very much, and we do welcome you.